welcome back to the channel. And today we have another iteration of the Raccoon Saga. Well, we as in me. Chris is at work, so it's just me today. And if you haven't seen the previous video of the Raccoon Saga, where we go into a detailed explanation of what happened when I hit the raccoon, click the link at the top and you'll be able to see the video on the banner. I hope I pointed to the right spot. But right now I'm off on my way up to Arrowhead Auto Body. Oh, don't just go to anybody. Arrowhead Auto Body, gonna fix it right. Yeah, they got a really catchy song, jingle for their auto body shop. And that's who's gonna be fixing my car. We're off to go figure out what the damage is, how much it's gonna cost. It's not gonna cost me much because I got insurance, but stay tuned and we're gonna go find out. Off we go. Well, I hope you guys liked that little poll, but I see something that's gonna put a hamper on, or damper, on my journey forward. It's multiple train tracks we have to cross to get to Arrowhead Auto Body. Don't just go to anybody. Arrowhead Auto Body, gonna fix it right. See, there's a train way up there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's over the white car. It's probably about a half-mile away. And it looks like it's not going that fast. And I have to cross the train track where this one goes 2 more times. I knew I should have taken a different route. This was my mistake. Oh boy, I am a lucky guy. The train just ended right as I pulled up. I am happy. If you look in the mirror very closely, there's a C8 Corvette. I should have been more on the ball for you guys. There was a C8 Corvette, and I missed it. I was more concentrated on going where I'm going than looking at cars. What am I doing? So, right over Heather is Arrowhead Auto Body. We're pulling into the parking lot, so we're gonna see how this goes. Because we gotta, you know, get the car fixed and what not. So, we finished at Arrowhead Auto Body. I'm still driving my car because I guess parts are hard to find right now. They blamed it on the Suez Canal catastrophe that happened a bit ago. And Volkswagen parts are harder to find because of it. And the total cost, because he went around and took pictures of my car and documented it and then looked up all the parts that it would cost. He was really fast at it. It would take me forever, I feel, to look up the correct parts. But the total price, $2,803.65 is how much it's gonna cost to fix the car. Now, a lesson for everybody out there: have insurance, because that's not gonna be the total cost for me, and it behooves you to have insurance because it's gonna save you a pretty penny if you hit an animal, because that's a lot of money. A lot. Well, I think that's all for today. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to click like and smash that subscribe button. And stay tuned for the next video.